Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial where I'll show you how to create stunning and realistic product mockups in Photoshop. Let's start by preparing an image of an empty bottle for our mockup. You can download the same image from the description below to follow along. You'll also need a design to insert later. Let's start by cropping the shape of the bottle using the Object Selection tool. Duplicate the selection by holding Ctrl or Command J. Add a solid color layer underneath to make it easier to clean up the selection. Use the pen tool to crop out any unwanted areas. Make a selection. And delete. Draw a rectangle that is close to the size of the bottle. Then convert it into a smart object. Decrease the opacity and rotate to fit onto the direction of the bottle. Use Distort to adjust the side. Use Warp to adjust the curves. Rename this layer to Place Design here. Double-click to enter the design file. Hold Ctrl or Command-C to copy and Ctrl-V or Command-V to paste into our file. Hold Ctrl or Command-T to transform. Adjust the design to fit into the size. Once you are satisfied with the adjustment, hit the Save button. Create clipping mask. Change blend mode to multiply. Click blending option. Hold Alt or Option key to drag. Now, let's make it look more realistic by adding another multiply layer on top to create the contrast. Simply hold Ctrl or Command J to duplicate a layer and drag it to the top. Again, change blend mode to multiply. Now it looks so much better. If you need to change the design of your mockup, simply double-click into the file and replace the design. Let me show you a quick edit. Once you are satisfied with the adjustment, hit the Save button. See, you get what I mean, right? Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on creating realistic product mockups in Photoshop. I hope you found these tips helpful and are excited to apply them to your own projects. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different designs and techniques. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.